everyone. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and you got everything that you desired and enjoyed your family. All right, I kind of slacked in getting my Christmas videos out because there were 2 that I was supposed to do, but I ran out of time. So I'm going to give you 2 New Year's Day videos, all right? So we're going to start with a cocktail. Now, mind you, this cocktail will have liquor in it, but if you don't want liquor in your cocktails, please, by all means, do not add it. All right, in this saucepan here, we have raspberries, we have blueberries, and we have blackberries. And I don't know if you can see this. I got a third cup of orange juice. So what we're going to do, I have this Tennessee whiskey by Jack Daniels. We're going to add maybe a 1/4 of a cup to this. So let's put this in here. Okay, that's about a 1/4. We're going to put this on low and slow because what I want to happen is for the berries to break up with the whiskey in it. Then we're going to strain it, and it's going to give us a wonderful syrup for our cocktails. So let me put this on, get it started, and once it's finished, I will come back and show you how it looks. This will be one of our videos for New Year's Eve or day, whichever one you choose. Okay, can you see the berries? They have cooked down, and what we're going to do is strain them. But I'm going to show you something that we're also going to do. Let's go ahead and add these berries to the strainer. And I think I told you before to add, I think it was 1/3 or 1/4 cup of Tennessee whiskey. Okay, we're going to add another 1/3 cup of Tennessee whiskey to the berries. So let's put some more of that in there. Now you can add more if you want it stronger. And then I'm just going to smash them down because we want this amazing juice from the berries. And also, you guys see this pulp here? You see that? I'm going to add that to ice cubes, so your presentation will be beautiful and your drink will not be watered down. Let's go ahead and keep smashing, and then take from under here. Now it appears thick, and that's the way we want it for our cocktail. All right, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours because I want it to, I'm hoping it'll float on top of the cocktail. But you see that? We're going to add this pulp in an ice tray with water, and it will give you some beautiful ice cubes. All right, I will be back and show you and instruct you on the final presentation of our, haven't named it yet, but I will. All right, you guys hang tight. Miss O is not done yet. All right, I want to show you how I'm adding this pulp to the ice cubes, okay? Just take your small spoon like this and put it in the bottom. And then we're just going to pour bottled water over it. We're not going to fill it all the way up with the water, because for a cocktail you want small ice cubes. Okay, you guys, and you can do this with any fruit. That way it won't make your drink watered down, and your presentation will be gorgeous. Again, you don't have to add whiskey or any alcohol to this. I'm just doing it for the people, you know, that do drink for New Year's Eve, okay? Some of us don't, and some of us do. Okay. I think I'll do this one for this one. Put this one there. All right. So can you see this? That is the pulp. Now all we're going to do is take some bottled water and fill it up. Just like that. Put it in the freezer until they get solid. You guys are really going to see how pretty this is going to make your drink. All right, there is your fruit flavored ice cubes. All right, these are the glasses that I'm going to use for our New Year's Day cocktail. And what I did, you remember the puree? Excuse me, I brushed some of that in the bottom of the glass and then put it back in the refrigerator so this could solidify, and it will make your drink, you know, a pretty more festive. You guys, I'm just stumbling all over my words, I'm sorry. And you remember the ice cubes that we did in the ice tray? You see how gorgeous that is? So we're going to put 2 of them in here. So let's just sit them like that. Okay. We're sitting it right in the center. And this is the flavor that I wanted. It is the sparkling white grape. Now you can use any flavor. Now this is non-alcoholic, but remember we added the whiskey to the berry mix. So now what we're going to do is just slowly pour it. Make sure everything is cold. So we're just going to pour this over. You see how pretty that is? Look at that, that's gorgeous. Okay, let's do this one. Pour it real slowly, and you want everything cold so it won't mess up your ice cubes. Then, you know, Mrs. O, I'm always trying to do something a little out of the box. So I took a clean, what is this, squeezer, and what I want to do is squeeze a couple of drops in this, because I want that beautiful color. So let's do this. Okay, let's squeeze a few more in here. And this is very, very nice, you guys. The taste is awesome. So just fill a dropper and then just finish it off like that. So when I come back, I'm going to show you the finished product and the presentation. I'm going to decorate the rim of the glass so you guys can see that, and we'll be done.